Right, soup dumplings today. These are the chicken ones. And I'm just going to dress them up a little. This is probably a bit too big. So I need to get some, hang on, I remember, QP. I actually wrote that, oh my God, is that too much? Oh, too late now. I actually wrote things down like those dumplings and QP mayo, if that's right. I wrote it down because I thought I need to remember this. It's just I don't, anyway. So I've got chicken dumplings, I've got the lazy chopped chili, then we've got some, actually I've gone a bit overboard now, haven't I? This is the spicy mayo. Then I'm going to go for some barbecue because I saw some people put barbecue on. So I feel like I'm just going to go with it. And then we've got some crispy onions because I like that. And I really wish that I can find these onions that Courtney cook and everyone else is eating. But the ones I did nearly killed me. Like, I'm not joking. You guys even watched. Like, so I'm just going to have this on the side. I'm not going to eat them with it. These are pickled peppers. Everyone, just so people know, they're not spicy. I might as well just have all of them, mightn't I? I've got another pot. Anyway, guys, have you eaten today? Because if you haven't, eat something. Something's better than nothing. Right. Look at that. Let's go. I don't know if it's a bit too spicy. Look at that. Are you joking me? I'm sorry, but that with the barbecue sauce. Yum. This is actually a really nice combo. Big mouthfuls. But you just can't eat it any other way. Like, why would you? Do you know what I mean? They're getting old. What would happen if we air fry these? Has anyone ever put these in the air fryer? And if you have, let me know how it turned out. Oh my God. Sorry, but it's going to be messy maybe. I'll try and keep it in my gob. Remember those fake nails that I put on? They've stayed on. Tell a lie, one popped off. I think it was this one. But other than that, these have stayed on. So they might have not worked for some people, but they have worked for me. That was a bit hot, that one. Pop that one on top. That, my friends, was delicious. I do like these. I do like these. Anyway, have a good evening.